the walls that I put in front of. I'm finna make shit that my concentrate, you know I got it. I'm gonna defy all the odds, that's just what it is. Watch my dog be smelly, let me tell me how to move. Niggas funny how they capping like they got something to prove. I be real to my dad, I'ma stand on it. My niggas put that pussy down, you gon' find a better way. I turn 20 now.
Is that lavish?
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Lavish hopping on, coming at you guys with another video. Today we're gonna be going to the Sac Speed Shot donut pit. It's pretty unexpected. It's just like a little pop-up meet type thing, and you can pay 50 bucks to go swing, 20 bucks to spectate. But anyways, guys, I don't have my car back yet, so we're just gonna be watching today. But anyways, guys, we're gonna hop straight into this video. We're gonna start heading out right now. You guys already know what we're taking. The Lavish Daily, the little bucket. We love her though. So yeah, guys, we're about to go head out right now. I also have a few guys that are gonna meet me up there. A few of them might go in the pit, so hopefully we can get some POV clips. I brought the GoPro too, so we can probably get some outside views. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna start heading out, guys. I'll see y'all there. So we just pulled up. There's already a bunch of cars here. I guess there's a testing tuner or something too here. But we came for the donut pit, so we're gonna go see what's up. Ooh, that motherfucker look fast though. Now we're gonna see what's up with the donut pit though. Oh yeah, this go hard. Sheesh. The other cars out here, 500, 350. Oh yeah, these both wet. C6, the Z06, okay. Oh, this fucking hard too. The interior in this thing. Hey, this hard, man. Yep. The testing tune over there. We gotta walk all the way to the back. It look popping already, damn. I'll update you guys when we get there on foot. Oh, thank you so much.
You fucking that shit.
Ooh, thank you. Oh yeah, I'm walking. Thank you so much.
Man, where you going?
Just straight ahead to that little pit right there.
The first one?
Yeah, just it doesn't matter where. You can just go straight to where all those people are. I'm just gonna go in there.
Okay.
I appreciate it. Oh yeah, we just got here. Oh shit. Damn, this guy here, something's already on fire? What's going on?
Let's get him out. Let's get him out. Hold on, we want to make sure everybody out here is safe.
Oh shit. It's packed out here though. I think my boy's finna swing next, so I'm probably finna hop in with them. I gotta see where he's at. Okay, that nigga Ray. What's poppin'? You finna go stupid or what's up? On me. Here we go. You already know, filthy team right here. You feel me? Well, let's good with it. I can throw the GoPro on real quick. Alright, it's good. You know, we throwing on the GoPro right now. Filthy team for the win. I'm about to secure this thing in, then we're all good. Oh yeah, we got this little line going. Got the starlights. Got the red guts, everything. This is hard. That be wet. And that GA, sheesh. Down there next. After this one, I'm gonna turn on the GoPro, then we're gonna be up in the pit. I'll show you guys the outside view too. Oh yeah, this one going stupid. Barking. Oh yeah, up next. bitch, nigga. Flew in the back and shit. Let me get that shit. Flew up right at the beginning. I said, ooh, nigga, park clutch. Shit said, poof. We're going to tape up next time. Sheesh. Going stupid though. Barking out here. Oh yeah, I gotta take out the GoPro. Okay. You said what's up? Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm proud. Oh, these niggas tripping. These niggas tripping. That's fire. Why the SC control? Oh me. SC going stupid. Whoa! 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 That nigga still going? Oh hell! I got back up.
13-year-old kids and 80-year-old men, when you come out here, we need them to go all the same way. Alright? Somebody battery fuse pop.
So you going in with the truck?
nigga stuck.
Damn.
He says it's his first time that he learning.
Yeah, I'll give him that.
This is a $15,000 car
Pop down there.
with a $2 driver. All right, come on.
Everybody saying Todd's key.
Come on.
Traction. Turn the traction off for this. The traction is not off. The traction.
That's it. Yep, gotta go.
Just turn that. Oh, I thought you.
Better back.
Alright guys, thanks for watching guys. We're heading out early. I have to go back and but anyways, I gotta head out early. I gotta go charge my camera so I can do this photo shoot afterwards. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed. And I'm out. Peace.